In the world of motorcycles, torque is a powerful yet often misunderstood force. But what exactly is torque and why is it so integral to a motorcyclist's experience? Torque, essentially the rotational force produced by the engine, is what propels a motorcycle forward with power and precision. The psychology behind this is the exhilarating sense of control and thrill it provides. Unlocking high torque at lower RPMs gives riders not just a faster launch, but a feeling of mastery over their machine. Understanding this dynamic power play enhances riding performance and safety, appreciating how torque meshes seamlessly with a rider's instincts, connecting man to machine with every twist of the throttle.